My dear friends, I have 3 solar lanterns. So, see, I am going to demonstrate like how they are going to work. See how these are designed. So, in position number 1, you get this light, orange light. So, position number 2 and 3 and 4, I am raising the, see finally this very high bright, right? So, I am reducing it. So, it is stop. You don't have to use any 230 volts. It is directly, just if you put it under the window, so it receives the light energy and you can see the charge lamp is on. When I am just showing this light rays, the charge lamp is on here. So it receives this is a solar photovoltaic panel here. It receives the energy and it converts that photovoltaic energy, the photon energy of the light ray and converts into electrical energy and stores in the battery inside. And you can make use of all that, right?
Sir.
Okay, you understand? So, I am going to present this one to one student who reserved this particular children's circuit lab a year ago. Her name is Madhuri. Rohita Madhuri. Yes. So big lamps. So she is so much waited for children's circuit lab to come to the Gautami school at Rajahmundry. So that's why, Sinu, you can go and take my photo also. Okay, come on, see me here. Yeah, come on. So, see, waiting for such a long time is also very important. Okay, so this I am presenting to Rohita Madhuri. Okay, now, next, this lamp I wanted to present for a student who reserved this circuit lab, the first student, what is Lakshya, you come here, 8th grader of Sri Gautami Smart School, Lakshya, deserves this prize. So, because she is the one, okay, and I'll tell you, there is some problem in her home. In spite of the big problem at home, she told me, she committed, sir, I'll come. I'll learn because this is my most interesting. I told it, I registered it. So I'll come. Though there's a massive big problem. Someone passed away at a place. Even in spite of all that, I've seen that status of this girl. But even then she has come, except only one day. That I have not asked her why. But still, she deserves this prize because having a pain, looking for a gain, that's where this is a gain. Okay, very important. Okay, so people will have problem. Everybody will have personal problem. Even including me also have a personal problem. But doesn't matter that we can stop the growth of the nation by learning and updating and upgrading. That is very essential. This is a rare opportunity. But she continued having that problem. That's why to encourage her for any upcoming challenges like that, that's why this prize goes to her. Now, there is one more lamp. Where is that? Where is that one more lamp? This lamp I had to present to this great boy. You come here. See, he has come from some other school. But I have seen such a 6th grader. His name is B. Aditya, 6th grader. The reason I am selecting this boy, I have seen continuously how much self-motivated, how many things he is trying to do and trying to acquire his skills. And that too, he never felt that I am going to some other school. Many of us are from the same school. Although he has come from various other schools. And he came just listening to his classmate, his friend, childhood friend, with a single word. All his classmates demotivated. Soldering and circuit lab and all, hard solderings and all, very dangerous, risky. Don't go to that and all. But even then he said, no, I will go and learn everything. That's why he is going to be. So you need to charge it because it's okay. And otherwise, make sure that one comes on because this is not coming on. Yeah. Open that. Bring it. One more is there, no? One more is there. Because this is not coming on. I don't want to disappoint this one. You keep it back. Oh, Aditya, happy?
Yes, sir.
Happy?
Yes, sir.
Happy? Okay, now this is Aditya's. Now I want to cross check if anyone else deserves one more lamp or not. You all have to grow to the next level, okay? Now, we will encourage only one girl. Because, see, why we need to select this girl, I will tell you. Originally, she registered for math boot camp. But when she heard some voice from this room, she didn't go to the math boot camp at all. Directly she came and started doing it. And 2 days later I found her name is not coming in the register. But she is continuing. without name in the register, she is continuing. And she finally made her parents to convince about it. So that's why Shaisha, her name is Shaisha. So Shaisha also has, give me that. Yeah, we will give a prize to Shaisha. But next all the people don't get disappointed at all. It's just encouragement to all of you. Whatever I am trying to do is, see, Shaisha, this is for you. Oh ho ho. Happy? Okay. So, but make sure here and then you will promise me that you will study well. Because I have come to know through various ways that you don't read at home. In front of you, she promised, make sure that your 6th grader, she has to continue reading. Not just simply coming to school, not going to solve the problem. You have to go home and study. She is not studying at home. That's why you have to take care of this girl. Okay? Happy? Okay, this is for you. So those who have the prizes, they can come forward and we'll take one picture with them. Come on, come on. And as of now, I have only 4. But I wanted to give one prize for the one who did the best work. But unfortunately, one is not working. That's why. But we can make it work also. But who is the one who did the best work? The best work who did, from my observation, the best work, of course, Jitesh has done, but Jitesh, I am giving another prize, a solar car. So, after that, the best work, all of you guys have done best work here, without any mistakes.
Abhinav.
Huh?
Abhinav.
Huh?
Abhinav, sir.
Abhinav? Where is Abhinav? Abhinav anyway is my student, so he is going to do all that. So, most of them very confusing. All of them have done wonderful work. So it is very difficult, but...
Sir, we are thinking to give last year.
Why? Because, see, last year also deserves one lamp. Why? Because, right from the day one, I never expected last year will come and join. But what last year did, suddenly she gave me a surprise. And after that, every day very nicely she is keep on working. She is doing a good job. And also, we must definitely appreciate Lasya because she also completed the certificate work. So, where is the lamp for Lasya? Lasya, you come here. You also deserve because you have done a wonderful job. So, you are so self-motivating and you deserve this lamp for you. Okay, it works once you charge it. Or otherwise you charge with the phone charger for some time and see if it doesn't work again we'll say and we'll replace it, okay? Or otherwise I'll make it work. I don't know why it is not coming. We need to, okay? Why it has to come, no? If it is not coming after charge also we'll replace or whatever. Otherwise you yourself can attend one day. We'll make it work. Don't worry. The problem is again a benefit. So okay, we can to all of you. So on this National Technology Day, we have celebrated in a most innovative way. So we have solved the problems of water, saving energy and doing some automation, acquired very good skills in making some products and projects. Yes or no, my dear friends?
Yes, sir.
So I am so happy today after continuously 1 week working with you all, though bit I am emotional that I am leaving you all, but we are not really away. We will work together all the time. We will win together. But I request those who haven't found in this kind of prizes, they deserve much better prizes than this next time. So let us join, if at all you are interested, let us design CCL2 and start doing more projects. Maybe in this vacation or maybe next, whenever you feel like. So we will work that way. We will give you next many other prizes like this. Okay, I will bring. Anyway, I am going to Delhi. From there I will bring all these parts. We can conduct a workshop to make this. Why? We can make ourselves, right? So that we can plan to do that. Okay? Happy?
Yes, sir.
And now lastly, only 1 minute I want to spend with you guys. See, my Solanki sir and myself, we celebrate Diwali in a solar way. We don't simply emit the carbon dioxide into weather. So they are solar diyas. So Solanki sir, so we'll send all these diyas to throughout the nation to the students and the people, and we'll celebrate the solar diyas. During daytime they charge. There's a battery inside. I just opened one. So there's a battery here. There's a circuit here. So in the evening on the Diwali day, they all will glow. You understood? So how many of you guys wanted to learn how to make? I can give the parts. So we can make, right? We can tell, ye Diwali hai solar wali. Why the regular way? Okay? Let's do something more innovatively. So I wish you all a very happy National Technology Day. So let us develop more technology. So we'll convert all the science into the technology. Some scientists will develop science in their labs, and we'll take the science and we will make use of it to develop the technology so that everybody can use. Like a cell phone, everybody is using these days. But there is so much science, so much people, so many engineers converted that all the science into the technology. Everybody is using, every common man is using, right? Likewise, we will become most powerful as innovators, as inventors, to convert the science into the technology so every common people can use. So with this we will say once again, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bharat Mata ki Jai, Jai Jai Vignan, Jai Jai Anusandhan, Happy tinkering, keep innovating. All the best. God bless you all. God bless you all. Take care. Bye-bye. Signing off, your science friend Srinivas.